Chief Minister P.S. Tamang inaugurated the Sikkim Flower Show 2020 at Flower Exhibition Centre in Gangtok. The flower show was organised by the Sikkim Flower Show Committee to encourage people to participate in conservation of the orchids in the Himalayan region, also to encourage and promote as an alternative means of livelihood. What is more is the organizing committee also gave away prizes for best flowers. In his brief address, Chief Minister P.S. Tamang shared the flower festival, which have been one of the main tourist attraction in the state, has attracted domestic as well as international visitors. It was very encouraging to see growers participating in this exhibition, he added. The Chief Minister also appealed to the growers and floriculturists to come forward and participate in such exhibition with more enthusiasm and zeal. The Chief Minister, after the inauguration of the flower show, was also seen walking through the flower dome. Even though the flower show and competition is a great attraction, but due to corona scare, it is expected that due to the outbreak, footfall will be lesser this year in comparison to previous years. The tourism industry in the state has been badly hit by the pandemic, incurring loss of crores of rupees. Earlier, local administrations at Lacheng and Lachung, two favorite destinations in North Sikkim district, have barred entry of tourists and laborers from outside the state in view of the threat posed by the coronavirus. Famous tourist destinations like Guru Dongmar Lake and Yumthang Valley have been closed. Sikkim, the region known for its beautiful nature trails, lofty mountains and seemingly never-ending paddy fields. Tourism in Sikkim has emerged as a new profession of the Sikkimese people with its vast natural potential. However, it is to be seen that worldwide tourism and hospitality industry is very badly affected by pandemics because of the nature of the business, which is always related to traveling of people. With Deepak Guru, Gangtok.